Hello and welcome to Namak Shamak. Today I am going to show you a very simple egg curry using coconut milk. Let's start off by roasting some spices. We are going to add 6 to 7 dry red chilies. These are Kashmiri red chilies. Next I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, half teaspoon of peppercorn, 1 inch piece of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon jeera, 1 teaspoon of sauce. We are going to roast this all together till they turn aromatic. We are going to do it on a very low heat. Our spices are roasted nicely. We'll set this aside for cooling and we'll make a fine powder out of this masala. While the spices are cooling, let's prepare the eggs. I'm just going to break the eggs like this. This is to ensure that the masala goes inside. I'm going to smear this egg with some haldi. And a little salt. Just coat this evenly. Our eggs are ready. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of oil. I'm going to lightly saute these eggs in the oil. The eggs have got a very beautiful golden shade. This is the color we want. So we'll take them out. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil to the same pan. I'm going to add about 2 finely chopped onions. Let's saute it well. The onions have cooked well. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to this. I'm going to cook this till the raw smell of ginger garlic goes off. Our ground masala is ready. I'm going to add this to the onions. Next goes in half teaspoon of haldi. Mix it well. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt to it. To this masala, I'm going to add 1.5 cup of coconut milk. Stir it well. Let this curry come to a boil. Our curry has come to a boil. I'm going to add the eggs in it. Lightly pour the curry over the eggs so that all the flavors go in. Make sure they don't break. We just need to boil this curry for a couple of minutes. Our curry is ready. I'm going to garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. You can have this egg curry with neer dosa or plain simple rice. Subscribe to Namak Shamak and don't forget to click the bell icon for more updates.